Look! A dead bird!
It must have hit a window.
Isn't it beautiful? It's so delicate. Once it's too late, you appreciate what a miracle life is. You realize that nature is ruthless, and our existence is very fragile, temporary, and precious. But to go on with your daily affairs, you can't really think about that. Which is probably why everyone takes the world for granted. Why we act so thoughtlessly. It's very confusing. I suppose it'll make all sense when we grow up.
No doubt.